In this video, we're going to look at linear functions, examples of a graph, and identify if it is linear or nonlinear. In these graphs, we're going to see if the relationship is a function. So that's our first step. That's going to be A. And then we're going to determine if it's a linear function or nonlinear. So remember, in a graph, it needs to be a non-vertical line for you to identify this as linear. All right, example number 4. You have a straight line, and if you use your vertical line test, it hits the graph once. So A, it's a function, and B, we're going to say, yes, it is linear. It's a straight line. Example number 5. It's a U-shaped graph, so automatically it's a non-linear function, but we also want to identify if it's a function or not. You draw a vertical line, hits your graph once. Yes, this is a function, and because it's a curved U-shape, it is a non-linear function. If you can go back and remember what this is, it's a U-shaped graph. We would identify that as a quadratic function. Example number 6. Again, there's curves. Well, we're first going to identify if it's a function. So if you draw a vertical line, it hits your graph once. Yes, it is a function, but it is non-linear. Example number 7. You want to be able to look at this and quickly identify. This is a vertical line, and my x value is repeating. If my x value is repeating, it is not a function. So since it's not a function, it's not linear. Example number 8. You draw a vertical line, it hits your graph once. Yes, it's a function. And it's a straight line decreasing from left to right. So it is a linear function. Example number 9. This is a horizontal line. We want to go back and remember, horizontal lines have 0 slopes because it is not changing in my y value. So if I draw a vertical line, hits the graph once, yes, it's a function, and it's okay for it to be a horizontal line, so yes, this is a linear function. Here on the left, just to go back and recall, any vertical line has an undefined slope. Remember that slope face? This is the nose to that slope face. Horizontal lines have 0 slopes. It was the mouth to that function, or to that picture. Those are just something extra that you want to recall. Now you're going to practice on your own.